Billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture. Now we'll see discovery of proton by the Rutherford. Rutherford has performed an experiment by the bombardment of the alpha particle on the element. Rutherford has performed the experiment of scattering of alpha particle by thin gold foil. So first of all we will see what are alpha particles, from where the alpha particles has been generated. As we know that the total elements in our environment, total number of elements in the environment, there are total elements are 118 elements are present in all, out of which 1 to 92 atomic number 1 to 92 elements are natural. After 92, that means from 93 onward, all elements are artificial, that is man-made. In the laboratory, out of which atomic number 1 to 82 are non-radioactive element. After 82, that is 83 onward, means from 83 all the elements are radioactive. All the elements are radioactive, means atomic number 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Now after 83 till 92 they are natural radioactive element, and after 92 they are artificial radioactive element. Radioactive elements, theory of radioactivity. Once the scientist, that is Henry Becquerel, was doing an experiment in the laboratory. Henry Becquerel was doing an experiment in the laboratory and he locked the laboratory and went away. In the next morning he found that the photographic plate was placed on the table and that photographic plate was damaged. So the photographic plate was damaged. What was the reason? He was eager to find. He found that there was a salt present on the table. There was a salt present on the table and the photographic plate also was present on the table. So he thought that something has came out from the salt and collide to the plate, and that makes the plate spoiled. That is, photographic plate was spoiled. So later on he done an experiment with that salt. That salt was actually uranium salt. As uranium is element with the atomic number 92, so the uranium salt was placed on the table and the photographic plate also was placed on the table, and it was found that photographic plate was spoiled, and he thought that something might have came out from the salt that spoiled the plate. So he has done an experiment in his time and found out that some rays are coming out from the salt, uranium salt. So that rays initially was said to be as a Becquerel rays. Later on that rays were said to be as an alpha, beta and gamma rays. So in this way he has studied with all different elements So he found that atomic number after 83, all the elements that are emitting the radiation means invisible rays, and this radiation can be harmful or useful. Some radiations are useful, not of radioactive element I am talking about. From the sun also the rays are coming, that radiation are useful to us. From the sunlight, when the sunlight falls to our skin, vitamin D is synthesized beneath the skin. So there are many types of radiation. The radiation may be harmful or radiation may be useful to us. So in that sense, these radiations, alpha, beta, gamma rays, are of course harmful to us. But Henry Becquerel has discovered that the element after atomic number 82, that means from 83, some sort of radiation is coming out and they are continuously emitting. That is why they are said to be as a radioactive elements. And from radioactive elements, alpha, beta and gamma rays are emitted. These alpha, beta and gamma rays can cause a cancer when fall on the skin. When fall on the living tissue, it causes cancer to the human living tissue. So it was concluded that some of the radioactive element can emit alpha particle, some of the radioactive element can emit a beta particle, and some of the radioactive element can also emit a gamma particle. It is said that gamma radiation, we will see later why it is said to be as gamma radiation, and alpha particle and beta particle. So Rutherford need to discover the proton. Rutherford has done an experiment. He has taken radioactive element of the source alpha particle. That means from that radioactive element, alpha particle will be getting emitted. Alpha particle, you know very well that the charge of alpha particle is 2 and the mass of alpha particle is 4. So this alpha particle was emitting from the radioactive material and was collided to the thin gold foil. When Rutherford bombarded the alpha particle on the nitrogen atom, as we know that the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and mass number is 14. When alpha particle was bombarded, it was found that hydrogen atom is given out and the mass of the nitrogen atom was found to be increased and the atomic number was changed. As the hydrogen was given out, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and the mass number is 1. So in all 14 plus 4 is 18. 1 is given over here, the remaining is 17. And 7 plus 2, 9, out of which 1 is over here, remaining 8. So an isotope of oxygen was found and hydrogen was given out. Further, he concluded that when any of the element, when alpha particle is bombarded and hydrogen is given out. On this theory, Rutherford proposed that the hydrogen nucleus must be contained inside the nuclei of all the element. He said that in all the element there is a hydrogen nucleus present in it, and he said that hydrogen nucleus was renamed as proton. Why it was renamed as proton? Try to understand. As we know that this is the atomic number. In the nucleus there is a proton. So one proton. In hydrogen there is no neutron and there is only one electron. So he concluded that this hydrogen is as proton. That means some particle is coming out from all the element and it is said to be as a proton. Later on he has also done the scattering of alpha particle experiment. He has taken a block which is said to be as a lead block. It is made up of Pb, from which the radioactive element cannot be transferred, that is why it has been taken. This is a radioactive substance sample Rutherford has taken, which is a source of alpha particle. A gold foil was placed what he was observed, try to understand. This is a photographic plate. When the alpha particle was emitted from the radioactive element, this is lead, this is not radioactive element, this is a radioactive element. When the alpha particle was emitted from the radioactive element, it collided to the gold foil. This is gold foil. It was found that alpha particle was traveling from the gold foil and there was a dot, or we can say scintillation. Some scintillation was observed over here, that is illumination also we can say. That means they pass through the alpha particle, they pass through the gold foil. And some alpha particles were deviated from the mean position and some were deflected to the 90 degree and very few were bounced back to 180 degree. So he concluded that in the gold foil there is a hollow sphere, so that is why the many of the alpha particles they travel without deflection, and some were deflected more than 90 and somewhere more than 90, somewhere less than 90, and very few were back bounce. So he concluded that the nucleus consists of hollow sphere. Nucleus consists of hollow sphere, and there is a particle present in the nucleus due to which the alpha particle was deflected. After collision they change their angle. So by this experimental condition, Rutherford has said that every atom consists of a hydrogen nucleus, and that hydrogen nucleus is said to be as proton. In 1932, scientist Chadwick, he first proved the existence of neutron. In 1932, scientist Chadwick has proved the existence of neutron, the another subatomic particle. By the bombardment of light, he bombarded lighter element like boron and beryllium by alpha particle. Highly penetrating neutron radiation were emitted. Highly penetrating neutron radiation were emitted. Try to understand. Chadwick has taken the lighter element with the low atomic mass number, say for example boron atomic number 5 and mass number 11, and he bombarded alpha particle. Alpha particle is also called as helium particle. Why? Because the charge of alpha particle is 2, the atomic number of helium is 2. The charge of alpha particle is 4, the mass number of helium particle is 4. So that is why alpha particle is also said to be as an helium particle. So when the alpha particle was bombarded to the boron element, it was found that there was an highly penetrating neutron was emitted. 5 plus 2, 7. 11 plus 4, 15. As neutron was emitted, it was found to be that the mass of neutron is 1 and the charge of neutron is neutral, that is why it is 0. So 5 plus 2 7, that is nitrogen. 11 plus 4 is 15, out of which 1 is over here, so mass will be 14. So they found that nitrogen has been formed and one of the particle has been given out, that is neutron was given out. So one more reaction he has done, that is another radioactive transmission of emission of alpha particle to the beryllium. Beryllium atomic number 4. How to remember the mass number? 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, plus alpha particle can also be written as helium. Neutron was ejected. So 4 plus 2 6, at 6 there is carbon. 9 plus 4 13, out of which 13 1 is over here and remaining 12. So from which the discovery of neutron has been given. In all, that was not enough. Scientists have even discovered many subatomic particles. They were said to be as bosons, mesons, pions, antiprotons, and many more. But chemists are interested in only 3 subatomic particles, that is electron, proton, and neutron. So they are the subatomic particle, also said to be as a fundamental particles.